Howdy, y'all. This is Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back to show you guys my April kit for how to kill a kit with style. This month, I feel like I really pared it down. Instead of doing a ton of different, or pulling one massive kit and then breaking it down, I just pulled these two kits. Hopefully it will be enough paper to get me through the month. Because I'm only going to use these. And then I pulled some embellishments to go with it. Some dies and some stamps. And so I am going to use this Honey Bunny kit from Close to My Heart. And I absolutely love this one, and I've only used a few pieces of it. I absolutely hoarded it because I love it so much. But it is so pretty with the butterflies. And then I am going to focus on the pastel-y colors, and Easter, since Easter is April 20th this year. I am glad that it's not in March. And look at the little bunnies. It's so cute. And pretty much, oh, there's another piece of it. That's going to be my focus. I love that paper. This one's my favorite. I know y'all couldn't have guessed that, but look how pretty. I know that the lighting's terrible, but I'm going to focus on Easter. I do have a lot of Easter pictures. I may do some things that's not Easter this month. I don't really know yet. I'll have to see what's in my pictures, because I think next month I'm going to focus on spring. So this is my other kit that I'm going to be using. And I actually, when my maker was going out of business from Close to My Heart, because this one is also close to my heart. This one is Four Seasons Spring. I love this kit. I bought it twice. I used pretty much all of it. And then my maker, whenever she was going out of business, she sewed me her leftovers. So, I absolutely love this. Look at this wood grain. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I also love this one. This one's one of my favorite ones, and I know it's probably hard to see, but it's like a circle with pastel dots. And y'all know, this one is one of my favorite pieces in the whole pack. And then, like I said, I bought hers, so she had cardstock in with hers that matches, which is great. But that is all that I have of that kit. So, like I said, hopefully it's enough paper. Of course, I'll add in some cardstock, I'm sure, along the way, to fill in the gaps and to create my bases on. But I think I can cut down enough paper and do it in different designs that I can stretch all this paper and make it work for the whole month. I have my tray of fussy cuts that I did. This is from the Market Day collection from Shabby Art Boutique. It is a membership only group, but she also has an Etsy store with lots of beautiful, beautiful collections on. So I have some little things in here that I fussy cut and that I'm going to use this month to go with it. And then I created my little tray, which y'all saw me use before. And I apologize for the lighting. It's kind of terrible to film everything. But I finally remembered I have this wood Easter wood veneer. I even labeled it, but I have it tucked away because it's bigger than my normal. And it has just different words. Bunny, jelly beans, Happy Easter. These came from Hobby Lobby. So I want to get them used up. And hopefully I can use some this time around. And then I have a bunch of different buttons in the colors I need. I have some little smaller embellishments that came from swaps. I did go through and I have a ton of little swap things that I can use up this month. Like all of this. And I'm not going to show you all of it. But it's just a bunch of Easter pieces. Like have a basket. Have some titles. This one says Easter candy. Got little bunnies. Here's another bunny. Here's one of my trucks that I did out of those sets. If y'all remember, I still never used it, so maybe I will this time. Never know. Here's another title. Look how pretty this one is. This is Easter Sunday. I don't know who made it. Here's this one. It says Basket Full of Love. But I tried to pull stuff that went with the colors. And then of course you can see I still have all of this also. And then I have some stickers I have had for a million years. Literally. I mean, I don't even know how old they are. These are so old. I'm pretty sure I bought them at Walmart a long time ago. But they're borders and they're popped up some. And there was different ones. And I have had these for a long time. And I loved them. I bought multiple packs of them because they were $1. Like, look, $1, y'all. $1. You just don't see that kind of price anymore. But I have had these for a long time. And there was also the smaller sheets that was like this. Some of y'all may have these. But whenever I saw them, I love them every single time I see them. These, of course, are newer. This is Hobby Lobby. But every time I see them, I think that, oh, I love those so much. And then I still haven't ever used them. So I pulled them out. Here's some more of them. I pulled them out in the hopes that I will actually use them up this year and get them in my album. And that's the extent of my kit. The only thing else is I did pull some dies and some stamps that I want to try to use. I know I want to try to make some embellishments out of them. I may not use them directly on a page or whatever. I may die cut some more stuff out. But I have this little girl with the bunny and the egg, and I've never used it. And then I have these carrots that I have never used. And I have the little bunnies in the umbrella. And I have some irises. Or maybe these ones are daffodils. I don't remember. But I do know once I do these for the ones I don't have pictures for, I'm going to take a picture of whatever I create and print it out and put it in here so I'll know what it looks like put together. But here's a tulip stamp. And then I got these flowers out to stamp. I got this little one with the chicks and the flowers, the daffodils. These little bunnies are always sweet, and I love this stamp set. You can tell it's very well loved. I have this one that's more of the Peter Rabbit style with the duck and the little squirrel and all that. And then I have this rabbit stamp. I have these carrots in the dies. And then I have this one. It is pretty much a Beatrix Potter stamp set. But this one was done by Close to My Heart a very, very, very long time ago. It doesn't have a date on it. But these are old. So, that is the extent of my kit. I am really excited about this one this month. Because spring is my favorite season. Well, I love spring and fall equally, but for different reasons. I love spring because all my flowers are coming out. It's new life, new beginnings. You get to get outside, get some vitamin D. And I love fall because of the changing of the weather and the colors and the leaves and, you know, all the cozy things. But anyways, I absolutely love working with the pastels. This is my jam, so I'm super excited. And I'm hoping to crank out a lot more layouts this month. Easter will be coming, so even if I don't have pictures already ready to scrap, I will have them soon enough. So, definitely go and check out and see what everyone else created for their kit this month. And I hope this inspires you and that you will play along. And until next time, bye, y'all.